Hey brilliant minds, welcome to Fireshark's channel. Be absolutely sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to get notified about future uploads. So, in this video, we are going to look at what is Netdiscover tool and how can we use it for footprinting and reconnaissance. Netdiscover is an active-passive ARP reconnaissance tool. So, what this means that it will allow you to scan the network for other devices and host in network you are currently connected. Netdiscover will give you the information like IP addresses, MAC addresses and manufacturer addresses about all the devices and host of the network. So, this is Parrot Security Distribution OS. From here we can open the Netdiscover tool. From pen testing option to information gathering option and then click on Netdiscover. Terminal is open now, and we have to enter the password for root access. Now, you can see that pretty much lot of options are appeared here. Here, it is version of Netdiscover and description about it and written by Jamie Penalba and his email ID also. Then, commands list is here and I is used for scanning of network devices. R, if you want to scan a range of IP addresses as shown here as example 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.0.24. Then we have P, if we want to scan a particular IP address but we don't want that our logs get created. To perform auto scan in a network, first of all you have to know your IP using ifconfig command. The ifconfig command gives the details about device IP and interface information. Here, as you can see, my device is using Ethernet 0 interface and this is IP address of my device. Now, you have to write Netdiscover, I for auto scan, and ETH0 the current interface. The interface option you can choose from the ifconfig command description. And hit enter. As you can see the scanning has started now and you can see different columns of information that is IP, MAC, count and vendor or host name. You can also see the range of IP address above for scanning. It will take some time for scanning, depending upon the range of IP addresses or network speed. Now as you can see in the result, two devices are appeared with their IP, MAC and vendor name. Now you can use this information and can plan for further steps. Thank you for watching.